So guys, this is going to be our movement for the day on our gold. So in order for us to be able to break to what market will be doing for us for the day, make sure you have subscribed to the channel. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. Let's see what gold is actually going to be giving us for the day. So first thing first, guys, before you take a trade, you need to know these two things, which is first, what is your trend? Second, you need to trade with the trend. So you need to know your trend first, then you have to trade with the trend. Now when you take a look at this gold, you can clearly see that gold is in an uptrend. This is our overall movement right here on gold. Our overall movement on gold is the upside, right? It is very much bullish. Market is very much bullish, right? Now let's zoom it in right here. We had this massive movement that market did give us, right? Then a drop was made that came to tap the support level, right? Market eventually gave us this massive movement upward. Then this was a drop that market did give us to tap the support level. Then market was able to push up again, right? And now a drop was made that came to tap the support level, right? Markets eventually rallied up again, and now a drop was made that came to tap the support level. So with such movements, right, we should be expecting gold to actually push up again. So we should be expecting gold to actually give us a bullish move from this support level. We are currently at the support zone right here. So we will be expecting a rejection from the support zone, thereby making gold to push up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on gold. So gold should be giving us a bullish move. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. Take a look at it, right? So initially markets dropped, and then it did give us a coach, which is a change of character, meaning this was a low, there was a lower high, this was also the lower low before markets eventually pushed up to completely take out this previous high, thereby giving us our first high. This is a pullback phase. So with this pullback phase, we should be expecting markets to push up one more time to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So a bullish move for the day is what you should be expecting on gold. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss